Hi, my name is Ryan. Today I'm working on these side cutters I found in my dad's garage. As you can see, at some point he must have cut through a live wire because he blew a hole out of it. And I'm going to see if I can fix this hole. Have I ever done this before? Nope. Am I sure it's going to work? Nope. Just tool valuable or sentimental? Nope. I just want to see if I can do it. So my plan is to just plug this full of weld and then grind the weld back to the shape of the cutters and then sharpen it. I think that's the best way to do it. So first I'm going to clean this up with some sandpaper. This kind of reminds me of getting a cavity filled in. Let's clean that. My light just died. It's not perfect, but I think it worked out pretty well for my first attempt. You can kind of see where I welded because the weld didn't fully penetrate, but that's okay. There are a pair of wire cutters. I could put more time into it and give it a better finish, but it's just a pair of wire cutters. And I have an identical pair right here. And as a bonus, I have this broken pair of pliers here. I'm just going to cut off this one side and make the sides even so it's actually useful again.